Hey guys, it's Future D here. But I'm just putting up a video showing you a little bit of what we did for my birthday. I had such a great 2 days. It was so much fun. I did not want it to end. It was so much fun. I had a lot of fun. Got some exercise and that felt so good. Outside. So that felt good. We went to a place called Eagle Park and we walked the trails, and they had some exhibits that we went to. They had some with birds. The one that we went to, their exhibits were closed because they were having a meeting. So we didn't get to go to that one. But we did get to see a few of their, I don't know, like, you know, like they put the picture, not pictures, they put the actual butterfly in a frame and tell you about it. And we seen like this container full of dirt that had all kinds of different bugs that you were supposed to try to recognize, I guess. But we had a lot of fun. I loved it. We're definitely going to go back there. It was, if you're a resident of the county that I'm in, it's only $6 to get in. And there's so much to do. Holy heck. And then if you're out of the county that I'm in, if you live out of the county, it's $8 per car. So, yeah, it was so much fun. We had fun. And then we went to dinner at Olive Garden when we were done with all that. So we had a really full day that day on my birthday, which was Tuesday, the 28th. So, yeah, I just wanted to kind of explain what was going on in the video. So, I hope you guys enjoy it, and give me a thumbs up if you do. Thank you. They're having a good old time.
The sky and the wind are only God. Wild sea, we are all strangers to this land. And no map, no promise but the light ahead. Rolling into the great unknown.
We should have brought something to carve our initials, everybody else's. Don't drop your camera. It's waterproof, but that means you'd have to go in and get it.
New stars, so bright on the edge of the night. One spark, and the world begins again. Rolling into the great unknown. Every step leads away from home. Rolling into the great unknown. Every step leads away from home. Rolling into the great unknown. Every step leads away from home.
This is really pretty. They don't bother you on this and go up on them.
So take a picture again for the water behind us.
Yeah.
In a world of green, just like a dream, you and I standing wild and free, with petals so golden, the sun's warm kiss, a love so strong, a bliss. Whispers of the breeze, secrets unfold. It's you that I need, it's you that I want. When the world gets cold, it's you and me. When the sun comes back, you'll see. Oh, dandelion, the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong. Through pavement we will grow.
was a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clear light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live.
Yeah.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this forever, 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 forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Can we stay here forever?
I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Take those people back there. They're fishing poles.
In a world of green, just like a dream, you and I standing wild and free, with petals so golden, the sun's warm kiss, a love so strong, a bliss. Whispers of the breeze, secrets unfold. It's you that I need, it's you that I want. When the world